Hello friends, my name is Asmi Sten and I'm a small YouTuber from the Kasi community. For the past 6 years, I've been working hard to create content, but I haven't earned any payment yet. But you know what? My real goal is bigger than money. I want to help your Kasi people grow. Whether it's promoting small businesses, sharing our culture, or supporting each other's dreams, I believe we can rise together. So if you have a business, talent, or story to share, let's collaborate. And if you can support my channel too, even with a small like or share, it would mean the world. Together, we're stronger. I want to clarify that I don't accept monetary compensation for promotions. However, I'm open to free collaborations where I can feature your product service in exchange for dosh. Specify what you'd like in return, free product, exposure, mutual promotion, etc. Thank you for watching.